Looking for the best trunk cargo nets? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 trunk cargo nets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Zone Tech 3-Pocket Mesh Storage Net. Polyester net adjusts to fit most trunks, pickup truck beds or SUV rear cargo space. Can adjust from 44 to 56 inches wide, with height of 12 inches and depth of 12 inches. Net holds everything in place. 3 pockets help organize and store groceries, gear, tools, and other items. Secures grocery bags well. Keeps round items from rolling around. Keeps all your watermelons, bottles, and cans in place from the store to your door. Does not seem to fit some pickup trucks well. At number 2. CARTMAN Cargo Net Hammock Trunk Organizer. Durable polyester, envelope style net with elastic polypropylene fabric pocket net, choice of sizes. Attached to mounting points in the rear cargo area with 4 self-locking hooks. Mounting hardware included. Great for soft, bulky items. Hooks are movable, so you can configure them to any space. This net is a good choice if you need to move bulky, yet soft-sided items like sleeping bags and camping accessories. Tangles easily. At number 1. Lebogner Trunk Storage. Cargo net stretches around your belongings. Folds flat for easy storage. Measures 35 by 15 inches. Can stretch to 43 inches long. Designed to fit most vehicles. Mounting hardware included for 2 installation options. Prevents damage to fragile groceries. Easy to install. Instead of 3 smaller pockets, this net features 1 large envelope, great for longer items like baseball bats and folding chairs. May not fit wider vehicles. If you don't have pre-installed cargo hooks, manufacturer recommends drilling into your vehicle to install them. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.